Hello, in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix this error. This app can't run on your PC. We are going to be using Discord as an example. What you can do is to right-click on the app that is not working, and then go on Properties. Then you need to go under Compatibility. Then you can run Compatibility Troubleshooter, and if it doesn't work, you can try this. Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4, click it, and then you can try all these features. And OK. And if this doesn't work, you have to change the settings on your antivirus. Just go on your antivirus, go under App and Browser Control. Go on Reputation-Based Protection Settings, and make sure you uncheck this. And also, make sure that you uncheck here, where it says Block Apps and Block Downloads. And then you save feature and try again and see if it works. You're done.